Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a loyalty program for your Shopify store to boost customer retention and increase sales. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose a loyalty program. Type first, decide what kind of loyalty program you want to offer. You can create a points-based system, referral rewards, or VIP tiers. Points-based programs allow customers to earn points for purchases, referrals, or social media shares, which they can redeem for discounts or free products. Step 2. Install a loyalty app. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for loyalty apps like Smile.io, Yotpo Loyalty, or Loyalty Lion. Click Add App, then follow the installation steps. These apps help automate the rewards process and keep customers engaged. Step 3. Configure your rewards. Once the app is installed, customize your loyalty program settings. Set up rules for earning points, such as giving points for every dollar spent, signing up, or referring friends. Also, define redemption options like discounts, free shipping, or exclusive products for loyal customers. Step 4. Promote your loyalty program. Now that your program is ready, it's time to promote it. Add a banner or pop-up on your store, mention it in product pages, and send emails to customers explaining the benefits. You can also integrate it into your checkout process so customers know they're earning rewards. Step 5. Track performance and optimize. Finally, monitor the success of your loyalty program by checking analytics inside your loyalty app. Track customer engagement, redemption rates, and overall sales impact. If needed, adjust your reward structure or promotions to keep customers motivated. And that's it. Now you know how to set up a loyalty program in Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video.